Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Relive app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Relive. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Relive and you will enter.